Hey friends, welcome back to $2 Fix. Today I'm revealing 20 incredible salt hacks that solve everyday household problems better than expensive store products. These simple tricks will save you hundreds of dollars every year. Imagine spending 20 bucks on fancy cleaners only to watch them fail. Salt costs pennies and works like magic. Stick around because number 17 alone will blow your mind. Let's dive in. We've all been there. You buy that pricey drain cleaner and it barely works, or you grab expensive pest sprays that stink up your home. Those products cost a fortune and often contain harsh chemicals. Meanwhile, your drains clog again next month. Your counters stay sticky. Your garden gets overrun by weeds. It feels like you're throwing money away every single week. Now picture this. Years ago, I visited an Amish community for a story. I noticed they used plain table salt for almost everything around the house. No fancy bottles, just a big bag of salt doing the heavy lifting. They laughed when I asked about store cleaners. Why pay when salt does it better? One elder told me. That conversation changed how I look at my cleaning cabinet forever. The big reveal is simple. Ordinary table salt or rock salt is your hidden powerhouse. It pulls moisture, it scrubs gently, it creates barriers pests hate, and it costs less than $2 for a huge container. Why does it work so well? Salt dehydrates bacteria and bugs by pulling water from their cells. It acts as a mild abrasive for scrubbing without scratching. The science is basic but powerful. Salt disrupts the environment that mold, mildew, and pests need to survive. Big companies hate these hacks. They can't patent plain salt. They can't charge you 20 bucks for something you already have in your kitchen, so they flood shelves with chemical versions instead. But once you know these tricks, you'll never go back. All you need is regular table salt or coarse rock salt, a spray bottle, some warm water, maybe lemon juice or vinegar for a couple recipes. Total cost under $2 for most projects. Let's run through all 20 hacks step by step. Hack number 1, unclog slow drains naturally. Mix 1 cup salt with 1 cup baking soda. Pour it down the drain, follow with boiling water, let it sit 30 minutes, flush with hot water. Your pipes stay fresh for weeks. Hack number 2, remove tough carpet stains. Mix salt with a little cold water into a paste, rub gently into the stain. Let it dry completely, vacuum it up, grease and wine marks. Lift right out. Hack number 3, kill garden weeds without chemicals. Pour rock salt directly into cracks in your driveway or between patio stones. Add a little water to dissolve it. Weeds shrivel up in days and stay gone for months. Hack number 4, de-ice your steps and walkway safely. Sprinkle coarse rock salt before snow hits. It melts ice faster than chemical pellets and won't harm your pets as much. Hack number 5, banish fridge odors for good. Place a small open bowl of salt inside your refrigerator. It absorbs nasty smells better than baking soda. Replace it every 2 months. Hack number 6, stop ants in their tracks. Draw a thick line of salt across entry points and windowsills. Ants hate crossing it because it dries them out. Reapply after rain. Hack number 7, brighten dingy laundry naturally. Add half a cup of salt to your wash cycle. It keeps colors from fading and removes yellow sweat stains. Hack number 8. Clean silver jewelry or utensils easily. Make a paste with salt, lemon juice, and a little water. Rub gently with a soft cloth. Rinse and watch the tarnish disappear. Hack number 9. Extinguish small grease fires safely. Keep a box of salt near your stove. Dump it directly on the flames. It smothers the fire without spreading it like water does. Hack number 10. Remove rust from tools or bike chains. Soak items in a strong salt and vinegar solution overnight. Scrub lightly the next day. Rust wipes away with almost no effort. Hack number 11. Freshen smelly shoes or boots. Sprinkle salt inside overnight. Shake it out in the morning. Odors vanish and moisture gets pulled out. Hack number 12. Clean stubborn oven spills. Sprinkle salt on fresh spills while the oven is still warm. Let it cool, then wipe. Burned food lifts right off. Hack number 13. Keep cut flowers fresh longer. Add a teaspoon of salt to the wastewater. It prevents bacteria growth and your bouquet lasts twice as long. Hack number 14. Remove coffee or tea stains from mugs. Rub salt inside the cup with a damp sponge. The abrasive action takes stains off without harsh scrubbers. Hack number 15, soothe the sore throat fast. Gargle warm salt water several times a day. It reduces swelling and kills bacteria naturally. Hack number 16, clean brass or copper items. Make a paste of salt and vinegar. Apply, let it sit 10 minutes. Then buff. Your fixtures look brand new again. Hack number 17. This one's my favorite. Create a natural all-purpose scrub. Mix equal parts salt and baking soda. Add a splash of lemon. Use it on sinks, counters, and bathtubs. It cuts through grease and soaps. Come better than any spray. Hack number 18. Deter mice and insects. Sprinkle salt mixed with crushed peppermint in corners and cabinets. The combo creates a barrier they avoid. Hack number 19. Clean cloudy windows and mirrors. Mix salt with warm water in a spray bottle. Wipe and buff dry. Streak-free shine every time. Hack number 20. Make an amazing foot soak. Dissolve half a cup of salt in warm water. Soak your feet for 15 minutes. It softens calluses and refreshes tired feet after a long day. I have been using these for over a year now. My cleaning bill dropped dramatically. No more expensive bottles under the sink. My drains stay clear. My garden looks neat. Even my silver jewelry sparkles like new. Results usually show within hours for most hacks. Weeds die in 1 to 3 days. Odors disappear overnight. Stains lift in one treatment. You will see the difference immediately. A couple safety tips. Always test salt paste on small hidden areas first. Some delicate surfaces like marble can etch from salt. Keep it away from plants you want to keep alive, and never use salt on electronics, obviously. These hacks are safe when used as directed, but they are not magic. Heavy buildup may need a second treatment. If you enjoyed these salt hacks, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a $2 fix video. Comment below which hack you are trying first. I read every single comment. Bonus tip, mix salt with a little dish soap for an incredible hand scrub. It removes grease and leaves skin soft. Next time I will show you 20 vinegar hacks that will completely change your cleaning game. You do not want to miss it. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Stay smart and save money.